Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I'm going to be explaining why I'm holding the Air Jordan 1 Silver Toe. I did happen to get a pair off sneakers, so my how to cop videos, they've been working lately. They've been doing their, their blessings, and we've been hitting on a lot of drops, and this is another pair that we got. Got a size 9W to hold, and yeah, I'm gonna be kind of explaining why I am. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Again, if you want more content just like this video, more sneaker investment videos, how to cops, videos just discussing shoes in general, because we just actually like shoes over here, then go ahead, subscribe below, and also drop a like. Again, goal in this video, I'm gonna make this one, let's just say like 175 likes. It's a little less than I usually go for, but just something simple. And yeah, these are a lot cleaner than I thought in hand, so I'm gonna stop holding them. We'll introduce them in a second and kind of get into it. So yeah, hope you guys will enjoy the video. Check my Discord down below if you want to go join that, by the way. There's some people that usually talk about shoes in like the chat section. You really ask anything. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in there. So any questions about it, ask below. Let's go though. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm just going to introduce this real quick. I got a screen recording on the screen so we can discuss kind of like the market value in a second, but just my Instagram's on the screen. I know if someone in the comments suggested, like, Tristan, if you want people to follow you, you actually got to post on Instagram. And I'm like, yes, you're right. That's facts. But check them out down below if you want. It's just my personal. Also got my reselling one there. But let's just get into discussing the shoes since that's not really all that important. I'm going to X that out. So right now, market has dropped a little bit after the drop as I expected. I think they're like around 250, 290. I think some of those bigger ones, like the ones that are more towards, or actually no, the bigger ones are the ones that are going for more right now. And then some of the smaller ones are also going for more right now, like a 4 and 5W, those are ones more towards 290. Even got these ones towards 400. I don't think that's accurate probably, but yeah, right now I'd say market is comfortably probably 250 to like $300, and the smaller sizes and bigger ones are the ones kind of going for more. I don't know if that really makes sense. It's just kind of like those sizes in between, like sizes 7W through 9W. Basically mine are the ones kind of in between, going for like 270, 280-ish, which is pretty much what this one is going for right now. If you go click on a 9W, I think the sizes have been right around 270 for the last few, yeah, 270, 249, so kind of all over the place. But you can see the last couple days, even after, they've been going up a little, like a few bucks here and there, but it's not really anything that I'd say, could go right back down. So my opinion is just hold these throughout the summer. It'll definitely make you some money, because you can see what these used to go for. I mean, you can go check what they got some bids for, like some of these sizes right now. I mean, some of them have bids for already $360, $350. So just once there's less dead stock pairs out, this one is definitely going to be one that is at that point in most sizes, if not all. And I also want to mention this too. When I got this shoe in hand, it was way better quality and way nicer than I thought it was going to be. I remember people were like, oh, silver toes aren't as like all this, but I mean, the quality that they added to the shoe is really nice. I mean, the tag even, it's kind of got that like reflective, not reflective, but it's like, again, like that metallic, kind of pattern to it. Not pattern, but I guess, overlay. And you can even see kind of like the leather on this shoe is super, super well done. Very, very clean. And it hits really, really well. Like this silver in hand is very silver. Just to state that, just so you guys know that the silver toe is silver, in case you really couldn't figure that out for yourself. Yes, in hand, they did a good job with the coloring. There's no, like, I would say nothing's really off about it. I mean, it's a well done shoe. So yeah, it's the fact that it's women's sizing only too. I think that will actually, the last women's shoe, that was a Jordan 1 that I said to hold, was the Lucky Green. You can see how that one's doing right now. Your boy's still holding his pair, because he's cleared like 90 bucks on a pair right now, which I'm pretty happy since I got this for retail. So that was another one. And yeah, it seems like Jordan likes, or not Jordan, but sneakers likes giving me women's shoes, because I can't seem to hit on a Jordan 1 that isn't a women's pair. Seriously, like I'll hit silver toes, Lucky Greens, like I don't know what it is, but hey, I'm not complaining, because I'm very glad I have these, and a retail price is something I'm very glad I paid for this one, since I know over the summer my prediction for sure is like once it probably is August, or maybe even to the winter time, because it could take a little longer. But I'm honestly thinking, I mean, there's no more pairs coming out, and I'm thinking the desire for these is going to be there. I mean, you go look on StockX right now, I think it has like 11,000 sales. Yeah, 11,700 sales. I'm sure it's going to be by 12,000 or something tomorrow, because I've seen a lot of pairs selling of these every day. So it's a very popular shoe. A lot of people like it. It's very clear. I mean, of course, you do have that like first few weeks of like release hype, or a shoe will sell really well, like if it's been hyped up. But this one I think is definitely here to stay. And I mean, there's also someone, I can't remember what Jordan 1 this was compared to, but there's basically another Jordan 1 that looks just like this, or very similar, that goes for a lot of money. So I mean, with that also being in mind, that's another thing that kind of would help it out. But yeah, with this, I mean, they killed everything on the shoe. The black sole kind of fits perfectly with the black leather that they got up here. Again, everything, there's nothing that's really discolored at all. And I just gotta admire like this whole like back portion by the heel, upper by the logo, and this Nike Air logo right here, and even by the toe box. Like, the silver is done so well. Like I just really want to point that out. Like this shoe is so nice in hand. I mean, I personally wouldn't wear them because I mean I could probably rock them easily. I'm thinking I could actually kill a fit in these, but I mean, just to be honest, this isn't my style. You know what I mean? I'm saving for those university blues. That's my next personal right there. I want them university blues. I'm definitely trying to get some of those. So I got a pre-order going for those probably for my size, because your boy definitely needs the university blues. Just for the personal, I don't even care if I have a pair to invest or not. I mean, I do. I definitely will pay resale for one pair to invest in, no matter what. But that's off topic. So yes, would I recommend holding these? Of course, I'd say try and buy pairs for around, you know, if you could get them for around under 300. I mean, that's what I'd really try and do. But just look at each size in particular too. Like, don't be dumb. Like, if you see your size right now, like, let's say you're trying to get an 11W to hold, which isn't bad. Any size again will kind of work. But I would, you know, maybe go for a 9W or lower. That's what I try and go with usually with holding women's shoes. You know, that's what I've seen the most success with. Is like, I think 9.5 is under. That's what I kind of meant to say, because I had a lucky green and 9.5, and that's kind of, you know, turned out really well for me. So a 9.5 is actually a really good size. But let's say you're going for an 11W right now in the silver toe, you're just looking to cop it on the market. It's like 250, 240 right now. Try and get them for like 230 or like 240 again. Just don't try and pay too much. You want to pay under that market price right now, even though it is probably at its lowest point it is going to get to right now. I'm going to be honest, it'll probably start going up, you know, slowly very soon, or it'll be like kind of at a flat portion for a couple weeks. But right now, what it's at, 250, 240, I don't see these going much lower than that. And these, you know, my size for like 275 right now, no way. These are definitely going back up to 300, and then you're going to go right up to 350, 400 very soon. So my prediction, by August, September, you know, October, around that range, we're going to be having some good money and some silver toes. So holding women's Jordan 1s, holding Jordan 1s, always a good idea. I mean, it's not really something that's like rocket science, you know what I mean? So silver toe Jordan 1, a lot of sales on StockX, a lot of hype, and it's for a good reason, because this one is going to go up very soon once there's less dead stock pairs and people realize, you know, resellers don't want to sell them for 250 anymore. But they'll see that, and you know what, there's no big deal really, because a lot of people are going to make money. So I'm ending the screen recording right there. Get holding your silver toes, or if you just want one for the personal, buy it now, because it's the cheapest it's going to be in my opinion. So let's roll that outro. Anyways, hopefully everything in the video made sense. Again, if you have any questions, always ask them down below. I will be sure to answer them. I usually look at all my comments. I mean, I see all my comments for sure. I mean, I know most YouTubers do. If any YouTuber tells you they don't read comments, I just want to let you know they're lying. Alright, just want to let you know that. So, yeah, again, on this video, subscribe and like. I really appreciate that. Again, goal in this video is, I said 175 likes, so if we could hit that, you know, it'd be cool. But if we don't, that's also cool. And yeah, you know, I guess, you know, I'm just spitting a couple YouTuber secrets right there. You know, I didn't mean to expose the whole entire community right there. But yeah, every YouTuber reads their comments, and anyone that tells you they don't is just capping hard. But yeah, if you also want to check my Instagrams down below, or my Discord, those are all down there in the description. And yeah, just don't forget the one message after this video: please hold your silver toes, or get a pair to hold, because you will make money. Just pay under market if you can. So that's all I gotta say. I'm Tristan. Thank you all for watching, and hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.